I don't wanna be what you want me to be. I don't wanna see what you want me to see. You know it's my way, it's a game I play. I don't care about what you say. You know, shut up now, let me live my life. You're not my friend, you're not my wife, I know. Your life is fucked up. Why don't you shut up? So let me go now. I get it somehow. There's no way to bring me down. Everything you do, everything you say, everything's a lie and it's not okay. You know things I saw and things I knew. I don't care about what you do. No, I go on alone from here. I don't need you, no my dear, no.